Hello all, this is Mahi. Welcome to Study with you Mahi. In this video we are going to discuss about the Siddulagutta Jatara. In the earlier videos I have already explained about the Bejjanki Jatara, Ainavolu Jatara, Sammakka Saralamma Jatara, Nagoba Jatara. If you haven't watched those Jataras, please do check out once. Thank you for subscribing the channel, and if you are new to this channel till now haven't subscribed the channel, please do subscribe Study with you Mahi for more videos. Let's get into our video. Siddulagutta Jatara. This Jatara is celebrated in the Armoor, which is present in Nizamabad district. Next, Lord Shiva is the presiding deity here in the divine form of Siddeshwara Swami. This temple is also known as Navanatha Siddeshwara Temple. Navanatha Siddeshwara Temple, which is located on Black Hill Log. And since the Siddha sages meditated here and worshipped Lord Shiva, this hill came to be known as Siddulagutta. Because of Siddhas and sages meditated here, this temple is known as Siddulagutta Temple, which is located in the Armoor Mandal of Nizamabad district. Next, Tulja Bhavani jatara, which is celebrated in the Nalgonda district. Of Peddamunigal village, which is present in Chendampet Mandal of Nalgonda district. And this Jatara is celebrated during Navaratri of Dasara festival. Tulja Bhavani Jatara is attended by the Lambadi tribes and many others, mostly Lambadi tribes. And the main priest is also a Lambadi. That's it for this video. Thank you for subscribing the channel and watching the video.